Hey guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing. Today we're going to be polishing and ceramic coating this and then trying out this Geon wheel cleaner. Testing out this Geon wheel tire cleaner, or wheel cleaner with iron remover on these wheels. I'm going to give you a close-up shot so you can see what they look like. Not terribly dirty, but they definitely got some brake dust buildup. So we'll see how they do. Oops. I'll show them once they're dried out too, because they're kind of wet, so you can't really see how clean it truly got it. So what I've got in the pump sprayer is just a rinseless solution, diluted 256 to 1, and I'm just doing a pre-spray on there and then gonna rinse it off, and then go in there with the rinseless contact wash. This car is exceptionally clean, but just doing a rinseless spray on, rinse off any of the grime or grit on there, as well as doing the iron remover ahead of time, since I'm doing this flush rinse first, and then you can go in there with the contact wash and clay towel treatment. But it was really clean, so it was just kind of a preliminary, just trying to get any little dust and things off of it. It was garage kept and stuff, so it was taken care of pretty well, so it was kind of a nice change of pace from some of the grimier, dirty vehicles that I get. Now that I've done the rinseless spraying, then rinse again, going in there with the DIY Detail Legacy sponge and the rinseless, and just going over and doing the contact wash, getting it all cleaned up, and then going to be going over there with the synthetic decontamination towel, decontaminating the surface, and then dry it off, and we'll be getting into polishing stage. What I'm doing here, there was some tar buildup on a few little spots on the rocker panel on the door, so I'm just going over with Stoner Car Care tree and sap remover, and that works really good. Since this vehicle was taken care of so well and had such few scratches and stuff, I used a brand new car drying towel and used as light a pressure as I could to reduce any sort of chance of marring or anything. I'm just getting kind of the general drying done, and then we'll pull it into the shop and blow dry it. Alright, got it pulled in the shop, mostly dried. Next thing is I use this little air blower here, and you can keep it under, you can get heated air, low or high, and then low or high airflow. If you want to not pop the breaker, I put it on low heat and then high airflow. And it's got a nice thick cord, it's like 12 gauge. So it works pretty good. And I'll just blow out all the jams, trunk jams, blow the wheels and the tires all dry, and then I'll be ready to polish and get it all cleaned up and prepped for ceramic coating, so that way I don't have to worry about water dripping later on. It's a nice little blower. This kind of contracts, kind of like some of those garden hose things where they expand when you're using them and then contract. So I'll leave a link for this in the description below if you guys are interested. It's not like a real expensive blower. It's not like a $200 or $300 blower like Adams polishes and some of the other ones, but it works fine. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out if you want. Alright, so it's all dried off. Looks like wherever I was able to agitate it pretty good, it got that Geon wheel cleaner did pretty good. Just some areas that I missed, some of the corners and things I need to go over again, but the rest of the wheel, I got it looking pretty clean. Alright, got it all dried off. Now going to the polishing stage. This thing's looking pretty clean. It's got a few things here. It does have some front PPF pre-cut. I'm gonna polish out the headlights. They got a little bit of kind of bug splatter remnants on there. A little bit of stuff here. And then, what was it? The mirrors. It's gloss black, so of course it needs a little polish. And then, got a little scuff, little minor scuff right here. So I'll work on that a little bit. Just give it a one-step polish on the rest of it. This is looking pretty decent. The PPF's starting to peel back from the inside, so always real careful coming up to. Looks like there's another little spot right there. But when you're polishing up to the PPF, always got to be careful. It's pre-cut here, and then on the hood from here forward. So should be fairly straightforward. Just give her a one step, get her looking a little more shined up, get rid of some swirls and things. It's a great color. I think it'll really look nice once we're all done. My go-to is my DeWalt 6 amp hour. It's a little bit heavier, but use the orange pad for one step pretty much set. Use the Chemical Guys polishing pad for a cleaner. And I got the Grit Guard pad washer, so I like to prime it. I'll give it a little spritz here. Give it a good clean before we get going here. And she's good. Got the DIY gold standard. Give her a spin here. And spray, and we're ready to go. Here what I'm trying to do is mark out the PPF lines with some tape just to make sure that I don't run into it. I'm trying to be real careful on those PPF edges just in case they're slightly compromised. Don't want to have them start to peel up on me. So for the panel prep, I'll be using DIY Detail Panel Prep. Now they are just paying for the 18-month ceramic coating, but I do have some of this left over that I wanted to use up before it gets too old, so I'll be using the rest of this 3-year coating, so they'll get a free upgrade today. So I'll just go through and get the flat surfaces done, get the roof, the hood, and then I'll do the sides, work my way around until I get everything wiped down, get it all cleaned up. I don't like to mix brands, so if there's a certain ceramic coating that's got a prep spray, I'll just use that. Unless I'm in a complete bind and for some reason I don't have it, but try to plan ahead and have enough so I don't run out. All right, got this coating, so we're gonna get ready to put it on. Prime this with like 5 or 6 drops or something like that. That's plenty. on polishing and ceramic coating this guy. Got the DIY detail ceramic coating on it. It's looking nice. Nice and glossy. You can feel the slickness on there. It turned out pretty good. Really a nice vibrant blue.